Dystopian means a very bad and unpleasant future world. It describes a society where people suffer, and life is full of fear, control, or injustice. In simple words, dystopian means a dark and bad future world. Easy explanation. A dystopian world is the opposite of a happy world. In this world, people may not have freedom. The government or powerful people control everything. Examples with explanation. The movie shows a dystopian future. People live under strict control. The story is set in a dystopian society. Life is difficult and unfair there. The novel describes a dystopian world where people cannot speak freely. More simple sentences. The book is about a dystopian future. The game is set in a dystopian city. Many science fiction movies show dystopian societies. Daily understanding examples. A world with no freedom is dystopian. A future with constant war can be dystopian. A place where people are always watched feels dystopian. Student sentence. The story we read in class describes a dystopian world. Easy memory trick. Dystopian equals disturbed plus dark future. A bad future world